Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will discuss on how to create a flowchart that will ask a user to give a number, and then the number that is being provided by our user will be checked by our flowchart whether it is uneven or odd numbers using logarithm. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. So basically I'm using Logarithm that is free to download for the internet, which allows us to create programs using flowcharts. You can concentrate on the logic of the program rather than the details of a specific language. If you plan to move on the high level language, okay, so Logarithm can interactively create code from your flowchart. This software was created at Sacramento State University. Okay, so we have here main, and then here integer a. So we double click, we declare a variable here. So it is an integer, and then we have here the flowchart for the output, give a number, and then we have also here an input a for the variable, and then using conditional statement, conditional symbol rather, the diamond, we have here a modulus 2. If it is equals to 0, display this message. If it is true, the given number ampersand a ampersand is an even number. But if it is false, the output text will be the given number ampersand a ampersand is odd number, and then end. Okay, so let us click the run button here. Give a number, let's say we have 7. 7 is an odd number. Let us play again. Let's say we have 12. 12 is an even number. The last example, let's say 56. 56 is an even number. 79, give a number. 79 is an odd number. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on how to create a flowchart using Logarithm to check if the given number is odd or even numbers. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.